Here it makes angle 30 with VP, set of 30 degrees. Here upon this is the axis line. So based upon the with respect to this axis line, the figure you want to draw here. So this is 50, and this is 30. Already we know this is 30. So this end, this is A, this is C, this is B, and this is P, and this is R, this is Q. Nothing but this position is changed to this position. This is called as change of position method. Then you want to draw vertical projectors from A, just slightly, from C, from B, from P, vertically, from R, from Q. These are vertical projectors. Now from front view to here also, this is already there. Then this is center line, this is apex line. So here once you got this one, A to A is A, next B to B is B, C to C is C, next P, next Q, this R. But whenever you want to see in this direction, this is inclined. That's why you want to see clearly this end. So this end is clearly visible. That's why you want to join by thick lines. But whenever you want to see the direction, this end is your visible, but this corner is not visible. So this corner side, so here to here, this is dotted line. So that's why you want to make this is dotted line. So whenever you want to make, this is one end and this is second end, so now join to base, now base to base. So here this is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, this is T dash, this is Q dash, this is R dash, and this is axis. Line, this is axis. So here this problem is APS like a projections of solids problem. Up to here there is no section. So first this is the preliminary. So this is the preliminary work you want to do. Some extra lines are there. These extra lines you want to erase it properly. So see, remember that here the two problems are, these two figures are your objective. This is final front view, this is final top. Now you want to implement the section. So here it is cut by a horizontal sectional plane at a distance 12 millimeters above the ground. So this is called ground. From ground, the 12 millimeters. So here this is 1, this is 2. Here this is 1, this is 2. Nothing but this is here. You want to implement the gap is 12. So section plane is inclined by line, 2 dots, line, 2 dots, line, 2 dots, line, 2 dots, line. So this is inclined by VT, section plane. VT indicates that this is section plane. This gap is how much? This is 12. So much of gap it will have. This is 12. So once you want to implement the section plane, most of the portion is here. So this is the remaining portion. The above portion is removed. So this portion is removed, this portion is remaining. That's why what is the remaining portion is there, that portion you want to make thick with HB pencil. With HB pencil, what is the remaining portion you want to make thick. Nothing but see the difference, give the difference, what is the remaining portion and what is the removed portion, give the difference in between to them. Then you got the so much of idea. See, so this is the remaining portion, this is for required portion, this is for retained portion. So whenever you want to see here, this section is how in the shape you want to appear, nothing but in which shape you are visible, that shape you want to observe here. So when the sectional plane is cutted here, this is 0.1, but this is invisible, nothing but back side, that's why don't give the number here. This is 1 front side, this is number 2, this is front side, this is number 3 front side, go back, this is 4. So 1 2 3 4, that means it cuts 4 bases, that means 4 edges. Once you want to get 1 2 3 4, so from 1 is where A to C, A C in between 1 is there, here A and C. So upon AC you want to draw a vertical line, here you want to get, this is 1. 2, where is 2 is there, this is P and R, in between are there, this is P and R. So from 2, here you want to draw a line, this is projector, so this is 2. 3, R and Q, in between 3 is there, so from 3 draw vertical line, so this is 3. 4, C B C in between, so this is 4. Once you want to get 1 2 3 4, join 1 and 2, three and 4, 1 4 2 3. This is called true shape, but this true shape is indicated by hatched part. Hatching means you want to make inclination with 45, so with 45 angle by using drafter you want to draw in this way, equal spacing, equal shade lines, this is called as hatching. This hatching indicates that this is the section shape in the given problem, so this is hatching. So this is the true shape, you want to get it. So by using with HB pencil, you want to make thick once again the outer side. So this is front view, this is sectional top view. In sectional top view, this is called as true shape. So this is true shape. True shape of section. So in the given problem, you observe that draw its front view. So this is called front view. In the front view, above the section is you want to make light, don't make thick, this is light. So this is the lighted portion, this is the thickest portion, that's why you want to maintain two shades of the pencil. This is with HB pencil, this is H pencil, you want to make this is remaining part. For this part only you want to make, this is the sectional top view, sectional top.